Hi everyone, my name is Aditya and today I am going to be doing the unboxing and review of the Mi Band 4, which is a recently launched Mi Band from Xiaomi. The Mi Band 4 is going to be available in India on September 29th onwards, and the price range is going to be about 2300 rupees. So on top of the box we have the Mi logo and the 4 written on it. And the side of the box you can see it's 5 ATM water resistant. It has various exercise modes and even a heart rate monitor. It has a color display, notifications and also sleep tracking. At the back of the box, you can see all the specifications. So without any further delay, let's unbox the Mi Band 4. So this is how the packaging looks, and you have the Mi Band 4, a charger and a manual which has instructions on how to pair the Mi Band 4 with your phone. So let's keep all that aside and check out the Mi Band 4. So unlike the Mi Band 3, the Mi Band 4 has a 2.5D color display which looks really gorgeous. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the Mi Band 4 itself. The Mi Band 4 has a color AMOLED display, which is the biggest change in this version. The Mi Band 4 offers a 0.95 inch 140 by 240 pixel color display. The screen also has an anti-fingerprint coating and the display brightness can get up to 400 nits, which is really useful in direct sunlight. Looking at the Mi Band 4 design, the design looks really good and the strap is of the same, and it also has the same push button design as the previous Mi Band versions. At the back we have the Mi logo, the heart rate sensors and a charging pin. Talking about the screen, the Mi Band 4 offers a full touchscreen and a capacitive button to go back to the home screen. It also has Bluetooth 5.0, which will ensure you better connectivity. And it also has a 135 mAh battery, which will give you a long-lasting battery for up to 20 days. Now, to use the Mi Band, you have to pair it first with your phone. So in order to pair it, you need to install the Mi Fit app from the Play Store. After installation, you need to go to Profile and Add Device and select Band and tap on OK. Now it will search for your band and will connect with the Mi Band 4. It would ask you for confirmation to pair with the phone. Tap yes and it's paired successfully. After pairing, the Mi Fit app will show you some of the features of this Mi Band 4. So it has band lock, which is one of the features, and multiple sports mode and a music player. Now you could see the battery status and all the settings of Mi Band 4. And after pairing, you could see this gorgeous screen of Mi Band 4. And the Mi Band 4 offers unlimited amount of watch faces. To change the watch face, you can go to the Mi Fit app and click on band display settings and choose the watch face you want. There are a couple of watch faces in the Mi Fit app, and if you don't like it, you can also choose the custom watch face, in which you can change the background of your watch face. If you would like to install more watch faces, you could go to Mi Band 4 app, which is an app in Play Store, and the download link of this app is in the description. And there are more than 1500 watch faces in this app. So if you just select one of the watch face, and you need to tap on install and open Mi Fit app and select this watch face, which is a Tianming, and it would sync with it. You won't be able to see the custom watch face which you have downloaded from the Mi Band 4 third party app, but you would be able to see it in the band. So now it's syncing and it will take up to a few seconds. So now finally it has been synced and you could see this amazing cool watch face. This is one of the very good features of the Mi Band 4, which the Mi Band 3 and the previous generations of Mi Band doesn't have. So now let's check out some of the features of the Mi Band 4. In the status option, you can see the number of steps, the distance you have traveled, the calories you have burned, and the idle alerts. You can click on the heart rate to measure your current heart rate. And it also has automatic heart rate monitoring. In the workout you can see outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise and pool swimming. You can just click on any one of these and start the exercise. So when you start, you can see the time, the calories you burn, the heart rate. Then you have the weather option, which shows the current weather of the day, and it shows the weather up to 5 days. Notifications, you can view all the notifications. And in the more option, you have the do not disturb mode, alarm, music player, stopwatch, timer, find device. You can also swipe left to control the music. You can play, pause the music, control the volume and change tracks. And this is how the music player works. It works really flawlessly and there's no issues. You also have the band display feature in the more options, and you can only change 4 band displays from the band. And settings. In settings you can control the brightness of the band, and it can get bright up to 400 nits. You can lock screen of your phone. You can reboot, do a factory reset. This band also has a raise to wake feature, which is really good, and a proximity sensor. You can also turn off the screen by just placing your hand above the Mi Band, like this. The interface of the Mi Fit app looks really good, and it has a simple design, and it's the best, and I feel it has the best fitness tracking companion. Inside the profile you can choose Mi Band 4 and change the band display settings from here. You can also unlock the screen and receive incoming call and app alerts, and it also has an idle alert where the band will vibrate if inactivity will last for 1 hour. It also has a find band option, band location, lift wrist to view info, and automatic heart rate detection and sleep assistant. It also has weather settings, and this is for the band lock, where you can set the password for your band. And these are all the features of the Mi Band 4. You can also go to workouts, check on status, which will show you all the status for today's day. And it also has a sleep tracking info, which I don't feel is pretty accurate. The heart rate monitoring is accurate, and it has also many more features. You can check your daily workouts from in my workouts. The app feels really smooth, and I feel it is better than the app of Honor Band 5. And this is how the app notifications look. This is how the call notification looks in the Mi Band 4. The Mi Band 4 offers very good features for its price range, and the build quality is also really good. The app is also really great, and if you like to buy this Mi Band 4, the buy link is in the description of this video. So that's the unboxing and review of the Mi Band 4. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting reviews like this.